वसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुलारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णा प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः नमो नमः. Good afternoon, good morning from wherever you are joining. This is the 14th class on the 13th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, mute that one, sound. The message of Bhagavad Gita, message of Mahabharata centerpiece is Bhagavad Gita. The message of Bhagavad Gita is build your castle of life on dharma. Dharma means on a value-based. Value-based, it is a foundation. Mahabharata talks about yato dharmo tato jayaha, yato dharmo tata krishna, yato krishno tata jayaha. Wherever ethical living is there, value-based living is there, Shri Krishna will be there. Where Shri Krishna is there, there is a sure victory. It is talking about the sure victory. Our life should be built upon dharma. The Mahabharata is talking about dharma. We are talking about we want to have a dharmic life. We are leading a dharmic life. Dharmic life itself, it is not possible to sustain. India, they were talking about we are highly religious people. It was not tenable. Many aggressors came, tried to uproot India. What Mahabharata is talking about, the dharma should be backed with the other four brothers it is talking about, and Draupadi. Dharma can sustain only when it has a backing of Bhima. Bhima represents strength, physical strength, knowledge, bhakti, jnana, bhakti, vairagya, prajna, meda, dhriti, sthiti, yoga, prana and bala. Bhimasena represents these 10 qualities. Dharma itself cannot sustain. It needs a backing of Bhima. And it needs a backing of Arjuna. Arjuna indicates Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. Dharma can sustain only when we have an appetite for hearing good things. Hearing again and again. Shravana, Manana, contemplate on that one. Manana and Nididhyasana. Quality of a student is not in the yoga class. I just attend the yoga class. Many of our yoga teachers also I talk about, come and attend, listen to me. Many yoga teachers, they are not interested in knowledge part. It is called as dharma cannot sustain if you do not have appetite for knowledge. Dharma, Shravana, Arjuna represents that one. Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. Another quality is called as Nakula. Nakula, another brother, represents firm policy. At home, you should have ground rules. Nakula represents Niti. Niti means policy. You should have a family, like a organization as a policy. How every home should have its own tradition, its own policy. Adhere to that one. Next is Sahadeva. Sahadeva represents dharma can sustain only when you have what is called as Vinaya, politeness, no arrogance. Sahadeva represents Vinaya. And then it needs Draupadi. Draupadi represents Vidya. Vidya is highly educated. Dharma to sustain, you have to upskill yourself every day. Every day, you have to upskill. And when these four brothers, along with Dharma is there, along with Draupadi, Sri Krishna is there. Sri Krishna represents Dhyaya. Dhyaya means goal. Goal in your life. Dharma should have a, why I am having a following a dharma, I should have a Dhyaya in my life. Goal in my life. What is the goal? Sri Krishna should be the goal. Mahabharata talks about dharma can sustain only when you have the dharma means Yudhishthira, Dharmaraja. Dharmaraja can sustain only when you have these ones, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, Sahadeva, Draupadi, and should have a goal in your life. Goal in your life, when you have all this is tenable. Tenable in the Swayamvara. Draupadi Swayamvara was there. Swayamvara was organized. Who can hit they hung up a toy up. You had to hit the eye of the toy by looking at the reflection down. Reflection down, not only in the arrow, in the bow and arrow, not single arrow. You had to have 5 arrows together, you had to release. They have to hit the fish eye. Drupada had done a tapas with Bhagavan Shiva and said, nobody else apart from Arjuna should wed my daughter. So that one, so much of concentration he pierced. Pierced means doesn't mean he has wedded to Draupadi. He has won. Even Karna was a participant. Karna had no interest in marrying Draupadi, but his interest was after winning. I want to present Draupadi to Duryodhana, because Duryodhana had given gave him a land. He wanted as an offer to please the king. He wanted to do. Then after the marriage, Draupadi went to the Pandavas' house. When they went, Kunti, they said, Mom, see what we have brought. Every day they used to tell, we have brought the Bhiksha. And Kunti, as usual, says, distribute amongst yourself. And after that, Yudhishthira said, Mom, what did you say? And Kunti thought for a while. She said, I always treaded the path of righteousness. Through my mouth, wrong things cannot come. Whatever has come, it has come. It has come, and then they agreed. Then Drupada also came. Drupada said, good that Arjuna is marrying. Yudhishthira said, no, all 5 of us are marrying. It was never heard of, and he was shocked how it is possible. Then Vedavyasa came. Yudhishthira also said, we are all 5 of us marrying. Don't ask me the logic. I never uttered lie in my life, but for my consciousness says it is the right thing. Then Vedavyasa said, Draupadi is not one person. In her, other 4 Devis are there. One is the Shachi is there, another Shyamala is there. Shachi is Indra's wife, Shyamala Yama's wife, and Parvati is there, and Usha Devi is there. Usha is wife of Ashwi Kumar. They were all born out of curse. They entered instead of, they wanted to, the Brahma's curse, when they are born, if they are by themselves, they won't have any protection. So they sought the protection in Draupadi's body all four Devis were there, and when Draupadi was doing the tapas, and she did the tapas to Shiva, she said, Patim Dehi. All four Devis also said Patim Dehi. So Shiva heard 5 times, he blessed also, may you have 5 husbands. There also. And Drupada, he said, I don't agree, and what you said is great, but I am not convinced. So Vedavyasa gave him a Drivya Drishti. Divyam dadami te chakshuhu. I will give you a divine eye, and Drupada could see in Draupadi, he could see Shachi. Shachi is a wife of Arjuna. Arjuna was incarnation of Indra. Yama is Shyamala. He could see Shyamala. He could able to see Parvati. Parvati and her husband Ashwatthama decided to become celibate, so Parvati did not get married. Ashwi Kumara's wife was Usha and Sajna. They were there. In that he could able to see, and he was convinced. Now I don't need any conviction, and he apologized to Vedavyasa for questioning. It is the how from our human eyes we can't understand how devas operate. They can enter. In one body 5 people were there. It is 5 Devis were there from outside. Even Duryodhana, he never questioned this one. Duryodhana, hardcore person, hardcore negative person, he also did not question this one. So we should know how Draupadi, one person married 5. The answer is there in Mahabharata itself. It is not 1. 5 Devis were there. If the Dharmaraja was with Draupadi, only Shyamala was be there. Other Devis used to go out. Shyamala is the wife of Yama. When Arjuna is there, only Shachi and others in out. When Bhima is there, only Bhima's Draupadi. Draupadi is when she is with Bhima, only Draupadi. Other Devis were not there. But by themselves, other 4 together as a curse. I will talk about that part maybe in the next week. So it is talking about even Drupada was convinced about this one. This is the Swayamvara. That is how when Draupadi entered into the palace, what happened? I will talk about that one in tomorrow's class. Arjuna Uvacha Prakritim Purusham Chaiva Kshetram Kshetrajñameva cha Etadveditu ichchami Jnanam Jneyam cha Keshava Idam Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Idam Shariram Kaunteya Kshetramityabhidiyate Etadyo vetitam praho Kshetrajñam iti tadvidaha. Kshetra and Kshetrajna, this body is a Kshetra. And Shri Krishna says towards the end, knowing this body, knowing about the Prakriti and Kshetrajna, one gets released from the shackles. How is beautifully bringing out, we'll see this one. Kshetrajñam chapi mam vidhi Sarva kshetreshu bharata Kshetra kshetrajnayor jnanam Yatta jnanam matam mama knowing the kshetra, kshetrajna, it is that knowledge is the real knowledge. Real knowledge, tat kshetram yacha yadrik,
तत्क्षेत्रं यच्च यादृक्
cha yadvikari yatascha yat,
च यद्विकारी यतश्च यत्
sachayo yat prabhavascha,
सचयो यत्प्रभावश्च
tat samasena me shrunu.
तत्समासेन मे शृणु
ऋषिभिर् बहुधा गीतं
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतं
छन्दोभिः विविधैः पृथक्
छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक्
ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव
ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव
हेतुमद्विनिश्चितम्
हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितम्
महाभूतान्यहङ्कारो
महाभूतानि अहङ्कारो
बुद्धिरव्यक्त एव च
बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च
इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च
इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च
पञ्चच्छेन्द्रियगोचर
पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचरा
इच्छा द्वेष सुखं दुःखम्
इच्छा द्वेष सुखं दुःखं
सङ्गाता चेतना धृतिः
सङ्गाताश्चेतना धृतिः
एतत्क्षेत्रं समासेन
एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन
स अविकार उदाहृतम्
स अविकारमुदाहृतम्
Mahabhutan, he is talking about this kshetra is made up of 5 gross elements, earth element, water, fire, air and ether, and 5 organs of action, 5 organs of knowledge, and it is made up of tanmatra, the organs of action, your senses and the gross elements are connected. What is the connection? Our eyes can see only when the form is there. When the form is there, and between the nose and the earth connection is the smell. If the smell is not there, there is no connection made. The connection between the tongue and the food is rasa, the rasa, taste element. Rasa and that's a tanmatra, taste and sound, and your ether and ear, the connection is the sound. What is that is called as tanmatra. Beyond another one, mind. Mind is another kshetra. This boy, person in coma doesn't have own icha and dvesha. But when we are awake, we like something, we don't like this one. Sukha, dukkha, we go through the good time and bad time. And chetana dhritihi, dhriti, endurance. I want to do, chala. Eta kshetram samasena avikara udahritam. This savikara udahritam. These are the kshetra subject to change. Body is subject to change. Outside things are changing. Amanitvam adambitvam.
Amanitvam adambitvam.
Shri Krishna now talks about the 20 qualities, 20-point program. I talked about in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, talks about 5 yama, 5 niyamas, 10 commandments. Here Shri Krishna talks about 20 commandments. Having learned this one, this is the real knowledge. Amanitvam adambitvam.
Amanitvam adambitvam.
Ahimsa kshanti arjavam.
Ahimsa kshanti arjavam.
Acharyo upasanam shaucham.
Acharyo upasanam shaucham.
Stairyam atma vinigraha.
Stairyam atma vinigraha.
Indriyarteshu vairagya.
Indriyarteshu vairagya.
Anahankara evacha.
Anahankara evacha.
Janma mrityu jara vyadhi.
Janma mrityu jara vyadhi.
Dukkha dosha anudarshanam.
Dukkha dosha anudarshanam.
Asaktiranabhishvanga.
Asaktiranabhishvanga.
Putradhara grihadishu.
Putradhara grihadishu.
ನಿತ್ಯಂ ಚ ಸಮಚಿತ್ತತ್ವಂ
ನಿತ್ಯಂ ಚ ಸಮಚಿತ್ತತ್ವಂ
ಇಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಷ್ಟೋ ಉಪಪತ್ತಿಷು
ಇಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಷ್ಟೋ ಉಪಪತ್ತಿಷು
ಮೈ ಚ ನನ್ಯಯೋಗೇನ
ಮೈ ಚ ನನ್ಯಯೋಗೇನ
ಭಕ್ತಿರವ್ಯಭಿಚಾರಿಣಿ
ಭಕ್ತಿರವ್ಯಭಿಚಾರಿಣಿ
ವಿವಿಕ್ತ ದೇಶ ಸೇವಿತ್ವಂ
ವಿವಿಕ್ತ ದೇಶ ಸೇವಿತ್ವಂ
ಅರತಿ ಜನಸಂಸದಿ
ಅರತಿರ್ಜನ ಸಂಸದಿ
ಅಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನ ನಿತ್ಯತ್ವಂ
ಅಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನ ನಿತ್ಯತ್ವಂ
ತತ್ವಜ್ಞಾನಾರ್ಥ ದರ್ಶನಂ
ತತ್ವಜ್ಞಾನಾರ್ಥ ದರ್ಶನಂ
ಏತಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಇತಿ ಪ್ರೋಕ್ತಂ
ಏತಜ್ಞಾನಮಿತಿ ಪ್ರೋಕ್ತಂ
ಅಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಯತತೋ ಅನ್ಯಥಾ.
ಅಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಯದತೋ ಅನ್ಯಥಾ.
The 20 qualities Sri Krishna starts with amanitva. Mana means recognition. Going after the recognition, everyone must recognize me. When my focus is on the recognition, focus on the result, I forget about the action. Karma yoga is based on that one. It's a karma yoga, talks about karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. If my focus is only on my recognition, I stop performing. My action will be tailor-made to the situation. Best in me won't come out. If the best in you to come out, you should perform the action such a way that bring out the best. Recognition will follow, but if you go after the recognition, mana, I had to go pay money, get PhD degree, pay money, and you will be on the newspaper. You will be, and if you want any government award, pay money, and you will get the award. I am after the recognition. I am not qualified. Shri Krishna in Vishnu Sahasranama says, Amani manado manyo. Though Lord does everything in everyone, He is there everyone, Amani manado. And though He does everything, He is not in the scene. He makes us to think, oh, I got the award. The Lord behind everything is doing that one, Amani manado. He gives the mana to us. Amani manado mani. He gives the, though He does everything, He is not interested in, He is hiding behind everything. Indriya, this amanitvam, adambitvam, not to show off what you do not have. And today, I am just coming from World Handloom Day. They invited me to say a few words. Handloom Day, everyone is on the suit and whatever. I went in, this is a handloom day. I should wear for the occasion. But even the organizer, they were not there. So, how can I impress? I will ask you to buy handloom. I myself is not wearing. So, you have to, that is adamba. Damba, if it is the occasion, you have to, if you want to say something, I can tell, Prashant, you do everyday yoga. I myself is not doing. It is called as Dambachara. It is good to do yoga. In the International Day of Yoga, Indian Council General will come and say, everyone should do. What about you? He will say, sorry sir, I don't have time, he says. And so, that is Dambachara. Dambachara, no, Damba, Adamba. What you say, you should be practicing. When I gave a story of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa also, and one mother said, please tell my son not to eat sweets. He eats too much of sweets. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa said, ask him to come after a week. Then after 1 week, he told her son not to eat sweet. Then she said, you could have told that 1 week back. He said, before I tell, I should be practicing. I myself was eating too much of mishti, rasgulla. And now I stopped eating. Now I have power. If I am not doing, it is called as damba. And it won't have an impact. If you want to have impact, you should practice. So is doctors. Doctors tell all patients, don't do this, not to smoke, and doctor himself will be outside smoking. He will be telling not to drink. It is not good for a heart, but every party doctors will be drinking. So it is called as damba. It's no respect. You get no respect. Like a parrot, you will be saying, ahimsa, amanitvam, adambitvam, ahimsa, kshanti, arjavam. Also, I talked about Handloom Day. Every season, we buy cloth. This is now spring is coming, summer is coming, I should get a new wardrobe. We buy new cloth for every season, and world, every second, one truckload of clothes are dumped on the as a landfill. Many microfibers are going into the ocean. So much of wastage. We buy the cloth. At best, many occasions we buy for a party and throw it. And on an average, we use the cloth for 7 times in the world. In as how I grew up, wear it till it wears off. Till holes are there, you wear it. Then only minimize the usage. If you are not doing, I am buying a new cloth and throwing, it is a himsa for the earth. I am here to impress Pallavi, but I am doing a great himsa to the earth. Your life should be gentle on the earth. Earth is giving a platform for you to exist. Why do so much of wastage? It is a himsa. Be mindful of your bigger picture. What you do, it has a greater implication. Look after the planet Earth also. Not to just buy and keep on buying and dump it. Look after that is another topic I talked about. Ahimsa, kshanti, arjavam, and kshanti means endure. Pinpricks are there. Every time people won't agree with you, people confront you, not to maintain your composure. Straightforward, arjavam, another topic I will talk about tomorrow. Acharyo upasanam shaucham, serve the teacher. How? By serving the teacher alone, your vision in life increases. Otherwise, I am in my own world, I can't think beyond that one. If you want to have a different perspective, bigger picture, serve the teacher, approach the teacher. The teacher will open you to the different world, altogether different world. Never you are exposed. Shaucham, purity. Stairyam is conviction. Conviction, whatever you do it with conviction. Atma vinigraha, with sense control. Indriyarteshu vairagya anahankara evacha. Indriya, not to pamper your senses too much. Sri Krishna earlier said, your senses are subject to change. Change continuously. Senses haunt us a lot. If I am not controlled, when I am becoming old, my digestion reduces, metabolism reduces, I can't eat many things. But cravings are there. Cravings are there. If the old person, house people, they won't be giving, but when nobody is there, that person will be eating. Then he will be saying, why did you bring? He will be blaming the house people, why did you bring? And so, the problem is not with the object, control your senses. And people say, why did you bring? I had to eat. You brought samosa, I can't stop. You know that one, why did you bring? So, who brought will be accused. It says, control your senses, not the problem not with the object. Indriya anahankara evacha janma mrityu jara vyadi dukkha doshanu darshanam. see the limitation in the birth, death, and old age, and the sickness. Asaktirana Bishwanga Putradara Grihadishu, not to get too attached to anything in your life, your wife or husband or property, even when you like or hate. Another topic I will talk about tomorrow. When you like so much your husband or wife, their aura starts reflecting on you. You start taking their energy. If you hate somebody, even their aura will come to you. The aura, try to have your own aura. When you start liking ordinary people in your life, their aura will curtail your journey. It prevent you to progress. It is talking about have a role model of a great person. That aura we need. Not ordinary people, worldly people. If you love so much, their aura will hinder the journey, your life. The Janma Mrityu Asaktirana Bishwanga Putradara Grihadishu Nityam Cha Samachittatvam Ishta Anishto Upapattishu. That is why in Shastras they say, have your Ishta Devata. Think of your God. Bhagavan is the most dearest. Think of him. Not the ordinary, my property, my husband and wife. Then my journey stopped. Have Bhagavan as the role model. Ishta Devata and Maichananya Yogena. I am the only one changeless. I am not subject to change. Everything is subject to change. What is changeless? Contemplate on me. Nityam cha samachittatva vivikta desha sevitvam, and try to spend time for yourself. Every day do some meditation. Vivikta desha sevitvam arati janasansadi. Not to get too carried away with the parties and those things. The parties, up to going is a thrilling. And while coming back, you will be regretting. Most of the parties, going is very thrilling. When you come back, I should not have eaten so much. I spoke that when you come back, you will be criticizing people. So minimize your interest for the parties also. Adhyatma jnana nityatvam tattva jnanartha darshanam. Have at least one line from the scripture. Whatever faith you are in, every day read one line of Bhagavad Gita. One line, one shloka, one word. Contemplate on that one, and this is the jnana. This is the jnana. You acquire the jnana, changeless jnana. Jneyam yattat pravakshyami. Yajñātva amrita ashnute. Anadimat param brahma. Na sat tanna saduchyate. Yajñātva, having knowing this jnana, one attains the lasting happiness, amritatva, and takes you above the seen and unseen, goes beyond sarvata, talking about the Bhagavan, changeless. How is changeless? Sarvata panipadam tat.
Sarvata panipadam tat.
Sarvato akshishiror mukham.
Sarvato akshishiro mukham.
Sarvata shrutimaloke.
Sarvata shrutimaloke.
Sarva avritya tishtati.
Sarva avritya tishtati.
He is there, sarvata panipadam. His feet are everywhere, hand everywhere, eyes everywhere, ears everywhere, and mouth everywhere. Sarvata shrutimaloke. Sarva avritya tishtati. He is there in this temple. He is there in your small altar at home also. He is there everywhere, and sarva avritya tishtati, he is there within you also, enveloping everywhere, he is there. Sarvendriya, from outside we think only he is there in the priest. Even that person is an outcast. Bhagavan is there in that person also. There are many instances, so-called outcast also. The bhakti, God sees the bhakti, not your jati. Where you are born, he is not interested. How much of donation you give is not important. Lord only sees your heart. Language of heart, that all is matters. Sarvendriya guna bhasam,
Sarvendriya guna bhasam,
Sarvendriya vivarjitam,
Sarvendriya vivarjitam,
Asaktam sarvabhukchaiva,
Asaktam sarvabhrukchaiva,
Nirgunam gunabhoktrucha.
Nirgunam gunamokrucha.
He is without any guna like our quality, changing quality, and he has all gunas also. If you say he doesn't have, that means Lord is short of that one. You can't say he doesn't have, he has that one also. You can't say God doesn't have. That means it is a shortfall in him. It is not shortfall, he has that one also. He has everything. Bahirantascha bhutanam,
Bahirantascha bhutanam,
acharam charamevacha,
Acharam charamevacha,
Sukshmatva tadavidnyeyam,
Sukshmatva tadavigneyam,
Durastam cha antike chat tat,
Durastam chantike chatat,
Tadure tvadantike tadantarasya sarvasya nishavasya. We saw that one. It's a repetition of that one. He is there outside everyone. He is there within everyone. He is there in immobile and mobile. He is smaller than the smallest. That is the object of knowledge, highest. We are busy learning. Sri Krishna says, if you have not learnt this one, every other learning is a waste. And avibhaktancha bhuteshu,
Avibhaktam cha bhuteshu,
vibhaktam iva cha sthitam,
Vibhaktamiva cha sthitam,
bhutabartricha tadnyeyam,
Bhutavartrucha tatneyam,
grasishnu prabhavishnu cha.
Grasishnu prabhavishnu cha,
Bhuta Bhartr means sustainer, and Grasishnu means destroyer. Prabhavishnu cha, he is a creator. Though Avibhaktam, he is undivided, despite we are seen as divided. Jyotisham apita jyoti, tamasa paramuchyate,
Tamasa paramuchyate,
jnanam jneyam jnanagamyam,
Jnanam jneyam jnanagamyam,
Hridi sarvasya vishtitam.
Hridi sarvasya vishtitam.
When we know God is there in everyone, we start respecting everyone. So much of violence is happening because we say, if you don't believe in my religion, I am killing you. When I realize God is there in everyone's heart, there is a mutual respect is there. Mutual, the humanity, harmony. Harmony, this message is vital for current day. Unless you believe in me that I will kill you, that mentality, God is there, that light is there, everyone. He is the sustainer of everyone. That is the need for world peace and harmony. Iti kshetram tata jnanam,
Iti kshetram tata jnanam,
jneyam choktam samasataha,
Jneyam choktam samasataha,
madbhakta te tadvijnaya,
Madbhakta etad vijnaya,
madbhavayopapadyate.
Madbhavayopapadyate.
Having known that one, devotees come to me. They are never lost. Prakritim purusham chaiva,
Prakritim purusham chaiva,
vidvanadi ubhavapi,
Vidyanadi ubhavapi,
vikaranscha gunaschaiva,
Vikaranscha gunachaiva,
vidhi prakriti sambhavan.
Vidhi prakriti sambhavan.
Prakriti, too much of involvement one becomes, the changes hastens. One who is indulging in too much of party, old age sets in too quickly. Observe the devotees who are associated with God, changeless, they tend to age slowly. One who is too much involved with Prakriti, changing party, they age very quickly. More you connect to the changeless, your mind is very sharp. You're not those who are partying so much at the age of 40 itself, forgetfulness. Old age sets in. If you are thinking of associating, mind is sharp. Your focus is there. You are dynamic. Agility is there. You start slowing down. Sri Krishna talks about Karya Karana Kartrutve. Hetu Prakritiruchyate.
हेतु प्रकृतिरुच्यते
Purusha Sukha Dukkhanam.
पुरुषः सुखदुःखानां
Bhoktrutve Heturuchyate.
भोक्तृत्वे हेतुरुच्यते
The Karya Karana Kartrutve, action and reason, Prakriti Ruchyate. Propelling us to act and finding a reason, Prakriti impels us to do. Purusha, the Jiva, it is done, and enjoy Sukha Dukkhanam, our inside, our mind experiences the happiness and sad. Prakriti propels, and we go through the sorrow and happiness. Purusha Prakritisto hi
पुरुषः प्रकृतिस्थो हि
Bhunkte Prakritijan Gunan
भुङ्क्त्वे प्रकृतिजान् गुणान्
Karanam Gunasangosya
कारणं गुणसङ्गोऽस्य
Sadasatyoni Janmasu.
सदसद्योनिजन्मसु
And I want that happiness more, or I hate that one. Sukha and Dukkha, mind. It is on the mind. It is leading to being born in as what next life. Whether lower species or the higher species, depending on the mind. It is not the Prakriti or Bhagavan's responsibility. Why you put me into this one? Mind. The mind in the 14th chapter talks about the status of mind at the time of death determines what is the next course of life. Here he brought out this Sadasat Yoni Janmasu. Happy or sad, earlier Sri Krishna says, Nityam cha samachittatvam, not to be too happy or dull, equanimity. So, you are not taking, it is not leading to cause for another birth. Upadrashtanu anumanta cha
उपदृष्टानु हनुमन्ता च
Bharta Bhokta Maheshwaraha
भर्ता भोक्ता महेश्वरः
Paramatmeti Chapyukto
परमात्मेति चाप्युक्तो
Dehe Asmin Purusha Paraha.
देहेऽस्मिन् पुरुषः परः
The Paramatma, though he is everywhere, he is there in every body, he is not affected by the people what they think. He is the onlooker. Though he is there in everyone, he just observes. Upadrashta, he observes. Anumanta cha. I want to go this side, he permits. I want to go in a wrong track, he permits. The Duryodhana wanted to do wrong things, he permitted. Pandavas wanted to do good things, he permitted. Anumanta cha. Bharta sustains. Bhokta. In Upanishad also talks about unless he enjoys, we can't enjoy. Whatever we eat, first thing he had to take. If he doesn't accept, we can't enjoy. Sometimes we have indigestion, whatever we don't enjoy. Though we put the food to enjoy, he should accept that one first. He should accept that one. Narayana Upanishad talks about in the first thing he accept, then only Bhokta. He is the enjoyer. Maheshwaraha, he is the highest. Maheshwara, Paramatma, he is called as Paramatma, Parama Atma. Our Jiva is called as Atma, he is the Paramatma. Dehesmin, though he is there in the body, he is above everyone. Evam veti purusham,
एवं वेति पुरुषं
prakritim cha gunai saha,
प्रकृतिं च गुणैः सह
sarvata vartamanopi,
सर्वदा वर्तमानोऽपि
nasa bhuyo bijayate.
न स भूयोऽभिजायते.
Sri Krishna is urging us, you also become like that. Be an observer. Not to get too carried away, and na bhuyo abhijayate. Sarvata vartamanopi. Whatever mode of your life, even at the age of 80 you start, you won't be born again, you be an observer. Just observer, not to claim I am doing. How to do this one? Sri Krishna says, pick up any of the techniques. Dhyanenatmani pashyanti,
ज्ञानेनात्मनि पश्यन्ति
kechidatmani atmana,
केचिदात्मनमात्मना
anye sankhena yogena,
अन्ये साङ्ख्येन योगेन
karma yogena chapare.
कर्मयोगेन चापरे.
You can observe this one as an witness through the meditation. Or you can do jnana through the knowledge, or through karma yoga. I am not the doer, naham karta hari karta, karma yoga. You can do that one. Sri Krishna says the fourth method, anye tveva ajananta,
अन्ये त्वेव जानन्त
sutva nyebhya upasate,
त्वान्येभ्य उपासते
tepi chati tarantyeva,
तेऽपि चातितरन्त्येव
mrityum shrutiparayanah,
मृत्युं श्रुतिपरायणाः
te api cha atitarantyeva. They also transcends one who hears, develop interest for hearing. The samskara, inner samskara starts changing. Our way how we think changes when we start hearing this one again and again. How we think, our actions, so are our action. By hearing also, Sri Krishna says, you can develop that attitude of just a witness. That person also can cross over the fret of birth and death. Yava sanjayate kinchit
यावत् सञ्जायते किञ्चित्
sattvam sthavara jangamam
सत्त्वस्थावरजङ्गमम्
kshetra kshetrajna samyogat tadviddhi bharatarshaba. Whatever you see around, they are born, they are existing because of the contact between the kshetra and the kinchit, sthavara jangama, kshetra kshetrajna, jiva and kshetra, they, because of that attachment, they have come. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu
समं सर्वेषु भूतेषु
tishtantam parameshwara
तिष्ठन्तं
parameshwaram vinashyasva avinashyatvam
विनश्यस्व अविनश्यन्तं
yapashyati sapashyati.
यपश्यति स पश्यति.
One, we have to see there is a changeless God is there. God is there inside our jiva. Our soul also is there. Soul is indestructible. Our jiva is indestructible. So is God is indestructible. Our jiva also. Jiva is not doing anything. It is not doing, but it is forced to come and go because of the karma. And samam sarveshu bhuteshu, Bhagavan inside, he is there in everyone equally. Though when the body is decaying, he is unaffected. When the body collapses, jiva goes out, so is jiva goes out with karma, whereas the God is free. He is not affected. Samam pashyan hi sarvatra
समं पश्यन् हि सर्वत्र
samavastita ishwaram
समवस्थितमीश्वरम्
nahi nastva atmanatmanam
न हि संस्था
ततो याति परां गतिम्
ततो याति परां गतिम्
न हिनस्त्वा आत्मनात्मानं. One who realizes God is not affected when the body collapses, that person reaches the highest. So it is saying that Bhagavad Gita, God is not, he doesn't want anything. We may say we have done so much of seva to God. He is not dependent on us. It is only for our ego we are saying we have done that seva, this seva, and go to Tirupati and put some money in the hundi. He says, I am not at all. Everything belongs to me. What can you do? Na hinastva atmanatmanam. God is not at all interested. And what he wants, in the beginning I talked about, he wants us to evolve. The parents doesn't want anything from the children. What parents want, the children to get educated well. Educated. He talks about 20 qualities. Jnana. You acquire that one, that is what Lord is pleased with that one. Lord is saying, acquire those qualities. I am so happy, and not our what we give some donation and whatever, and next week after Raghavendra Aradhana, we say we have done that seva, this seva. Raghavendra Swamiji doesn't want your seva. You are, if you think doing that one you are purifying, then it's a value addition. He is not dependent on our seva. He is not sitting there to receive our seva. He wants us to evolve. Every year I am doing a seva, but I am not a changed person. I am the same old person, always nagging, backbiting and backstabbing. So what type of seva? He wants us to evolve, learn, jnana, acquire the jnana. That is what the greatest seva we can do for the Rayar Aradhana. And otherwise we are doing the seva, put some nama and some costume and think that, pretend that you are a great devotee. It is only a drama company. From outside we are showing off. Inside we haven't done. Raghavendra Swamiji doesn't want. He has seen so many dramas. And he has seen so many dramas. Whom are you trying to impress? Prakritaiva cha karmani kriyamānāni sarvashah
क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः
yapashyati tatātmāna
यपश्यति तथात्माना
akartaram sapashyati.
अकर्तारं स पश्यति.
Those who knows that one, your jiva is not doing anything. Don't blame the jiva. Jiva inside everyone is pure. It's pure, but the karma around that one. In Bible also talks about hate the action, not the person. Person in the sense, in Christianity it is not clear. But our Bhagavad Gita says, soul is always pure. But the action, the jiva around that one it is doing akarta. Your jiva is naham karta. You are saying akarta. That person really sees. Yada bhuta pratak bhava
यदा भूता पृथक् भावा
ekastam anupashyati
एकस्थम् अनुपश्यति
tata eva savistaram
तत एव च विस्तारम्
brahma sampadyate tada.
ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा.
Yada bhuta pratak bhava. People are different language, different race, different countries, and different species. They appear to be different categories, but ekastam, one common thing which binds everything, this creation, is God. Jivas are different. Jiva in me, my soul is different, your soul is different, but that binding thing is God is there. He is the unifier in everyone. One understands that one. Brahma sampadhyate. That person attains the highest. Anaditva nirgunatvat
अनादित्वा निर्गुणत्वा
paramatma ayam avyaya
परमात्मा अयमव्ययः
sharirastopi kaunteya
शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय
न न करोति न लिप्यते.
न करोति न लिप्यते.
Bhagavan inside, so is the jiva, is anadi, no beginning. Nirgunatva, they asked the question in Vedanta, this jiva, when did it begin? Anadi, there is no beginning. But for the jiva, there is an end. After moksha, there is the jiva, no more coming. But for the Bhagavan, anaditva, nirgunatva, he is not having qualities like us. Paramatma, he is the highest. Avyaya is not exhausting. He is changeless. Though he is there within everyone, he is not doing anything. We blame why God did this one. This is a Kali Yuga, why God did this one. Sri Krishna answers, it is not me doing. Your karma, change of karma has brought. I am not the one doing this one. Kali Yuga, that Yuga, this so much of violence, why God is bringing. Na karoti, I am not the doing, I am not tainted also. Who is tainted? People think I am doing. Sri Krishna describes how he is not tainted. Yata sarvagatam saukshmam akasham no palipyate sarvatra stito dehe tatatmana no palipyate. Again, yata sarvagatam saukshma akasham no palipyate sarvatra avastito dehe tatatmana no palipyate. Shri Krishna gives an analogy how the space is not contaminated by the countries. This country, but the space is the same. Not contaminated. Akasham, how space is not contaminated. Countries can fight over, this is my country. But when you go up, the space is unaffected. Sarvatra, similarly, God, though resides in this body, he is there everywhere. Dehe, though he is there in this body, like in the space, he is not affected by our action. Not to blame the God, yata prakasha yatyeka krishnam loka imam ravi kshetram kshetri tata krishnam prakashayati bharata. Shri Krishna gives another analogy. Repeat again. Yata prakashayatyeka krishnam loka imam ravihi kshetram kshetri tata krishnam prakashayati bharata. How he is sustaining us like one sun illumining the whole world. He is there within, he is illumining us, making us to do something. He is putting the light, propelling us to do, he is not affected. Kshetra kshetrajnayoreva antaram jnana chakshusha bhuta prakriti mokshancha ye vidur yanti te param. Kshetra kshetrajnayoreva antaram jnana chakshusha bhuta prakriti mokshancha ye vidur yanti te param. This shloka kshetra, understanding this body. body, world is a kshetra. This body is a kshetra. Kshetrajna is your soul, Bhagavan. One who sees the difference between individual soul, world and God. Antaram, through the illumined eyes, through the 20 points he talked about, through the Jnana Chakshusha, Bhuta Prakriti Mokshancha, one gets freed from the material world. What is holding the jiva? It is not going up. We are so bound to the material world, it is not allowing us to go up. Bhuta Prakriti Mokshancha. Subject, material world, we are keep on coming again and again because we are attached to the Prakriti. Bhuta Prakriti Mokshancha, Viduryanti, having known that one, that person goes beyond when the satellite, when you are launching, rocket when you are launching, goes beyond the gravitation limit. When it goes beyond the gravitation limit, it keeps on traveling. Shri Krishna says, understanding the difference between the Prakriti, Jiva, Paramatma, your body, difference between them, one gets freed from the shackles of the material world and ascends and attains the highest. These 3 shlokas, the 4 shlokas repeat again. Anaditva nirgunatvat Paramatma ayam avyaya
Paramatma ayam
Sharirastopi kaunteya
Sharirastopi kaunteya
Na karoti na lipyate
Na karoti na lipyate
Yata sarvagatam sokshmam
Yata sarvagatam saukshmya
Akasham nopalipyate
Akasham nopalipyate
Sarvatra vastito dehe
Sarvatra vastito dehe
Tatatmana nopalipyate
Tatatmanopalipyate
Yata prakashayatyeka
Yata prakashayatyeka
Krishnam loka imam ravihi
Kritsnam lokamimam ravihi
Kshetram kshetri tata Krishnam
Kshetram kshetri tata kritsnam
Prakashayati bharata
Prakashayati bharata
Kshetra kshetrajnayoreva
Kshetra kshetrajnayoreva
Antaram jnana chakshusha
Antaram jnana chakshusha
Bhuta prakriti mokshancha
Bhuta prakriti mokshancha
Ye viduryanti te param
Ye viduryanti te param
Om tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu
Om Tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu
Upanishatsu
Upanishatsu
Brahma Vidyayam
Brahma Vidyaya
Yoga Shastre
Yoga Shastre
Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade
Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade
Kshetra Kshetrajnayor Nama
Kshetra Kshetrajnayor
Trayodashodhyayah
Adhyaya
Vasudeva Sutam Devam
Vasudeva Sutam Devam
Kamsa Chanuramardanam
Kamsa Chanuramardanam
Devaki Paramanandam
Devaki Paramanandam
Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum
Krishnam Vande Jagat